So in exercise 3.3, first one, in figure, sides QP and RQ, sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced. Okay, they are produced to the points S and T respectively. If SPR is 135 and PQT is 110, find PRQ. This angle we have to find out. So how to find out? Here in this you can observe in the figure PQS or else SPQ. This is what it's a straight line. Right? So therefore we can write. So children listen here. I am writing the answers. That means I am explaining in a short way. Okay, short. That means the same answer. Okay, I have given more briefly in your classwork. So refer that classwork, and for your understanding I am explaining this one. So please listen carefully. SPQ is a straight line. Correct? SPQ is a straight line. So therefore we can say that angle P, SPQ, angle SPQ is equal to SPR plus RPQ. See here, this one RPQ. This is 135. This is how much? You don't know. The sum of this SPQ is since it is a straight line, therefore we can write this as 180 is equal to SPR is 135 plus RPQ. Okay. Now 180 minus 135 is equal to RPQ. That is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 3, 45 degree. Okay. RPQ is equal to what? 45 degree. This is how much we got? 45 degree. Okay, children. Next, just observe this TQR. This is also a line. Correct? This is also a straight line that forms here how much? 180 degree. So therefore, angle TQR is equal to TQP, correct? TQP plus PQR. Okay. Now this is 180 is equal to TQP is 110 plus PQR. We have to find out now. Now 180 minus 110, that is equal to PQR. Okay. Now how much you get here? 70 degree. PQR is equal to 70 degree. Okay, children. Now here this is a triangle. Isn't it? PQR. PQR is a triangle. We got this angle. How much is this angle? This is 70 degree, and this we got a 45 degree. Now we have to find out this angle PRQ. That is what in question they have asked here. So now here this one angle we don't know. So therefore PQR is a triangle. Okay, in triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. The sum of angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. No. So let us write now. So angle QPR plus PQR plus PRQ is equal to how much? 180 degree according to angle sum property. Okay. So here QPR is 45 degree plus PQR is 70 degree plus PRQ is equal to 180. Okay. Now PRQ is equal to 180. Okay. Minus 180 minus 45 plus 70. 45 plus 70 is 115. Okay, 115. Now, how much you get here? 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. Then, yes, 65 degree. Okay, this is how much? 65 degree. This is what they asked in the question, so we got. Okay, now let us move to next problem. That is the second one. In the figure, what they have given here, this is a figure XYZ. In a figure, XYZ is a triangle. Okay, that X angle is given 62 degree, XYZ is given 54 degree, and if YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ, okay, and XZY respectively of triangle XYZ. Find OZY. Find OZY and YOZ. OZY is this one you have to find out, and YOZ you have to find out this one. Okay. How to find out? See, they have given in triangle XYZ. In triangle XYZ, angle X plus, that is let us write Y. Okay, X plus Y plus Z. Y plus Z is equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay, we know here two angles. 60. This is how much? 62 degree. This is 54. So then third angle we can find out. Is it not? X is given 62 degree plus next Y is given 54 degree plus Z we have to find out is equal to 180 degree. Now Z is equal to 180 minus 62 plus 54 is 116. Okay, 116. Yes. So that is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, 64 degree. This is how much you got? 64 degree you got. Okay. Now, YO and ZO are the bisectors. Okay, children. So therefore, how much you get here? This angle. This angle is OYZ. OYZ is equal to 1 by 2 times XYZ. Yes or no, children? 1 by 2 times XYZ. That is equal to 1 by 2 times XYZ is nothing but 54. That is equal to how much you get? 2 2s are 2 7s are 14. 27 degree. Similarly, XZY. In that OZY is equal to 1 by 2 times XZY. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 times XZY is 64 degree. That is equal to how much you get here? 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 32 degree. Okay, 32 degree. Now let us take this triangle. This angle we got by angle OYZ is equal to how much? 27 degree. OZY is equal to 32 degree. So in triangle OYZ, okay, angle O, that is angle YOZ plus angle OYZ plus angle OZY is equal to 180 degree. Okay, YOZ we have to find out. YOZ is equal plus OYZ. How much you got? OYZ is 27 plus OZY is 32 plus is equal to 180 degree. Now YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59 degree, that is equal to 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2, 1. So 110 degree. Okay, OYZ is equal to, therefore YOZ is equal to 121 degree. Okay children, this is what second problem answer.